Hi there guys, this is Alec and this is for the data analyst. Often when we analyze a business, we want to see trends and we actually want to see how the business has fared, and often what helps is if you compare data to a previous period and you actually are able to carve it up into months, for instance. So what happens often is we actually have to spend a lot of time to get data structured into a format that ultimately helps us to do the data analysis. So I'm going to show you how MyBI has already done this for you, so you as data analysts can immediately just jump into it and start analyzing and really give the value to the business instead of spending a lot of time generating the report, which is really a time-consuming activity a lot of the instances. So this specific demo is a group which has 3 companies in it. MyBI app specifically generates all of this BI reports automatically from any Pastel Partner, Pastel Express or Sage 50 Cloud database. Okay, so I'm going to jump into this dashboard over here. So the dashboard just basically shows us what is the overall picture of the whole group, and I've actually deselected budgets over here. You can bring it in, and if you bring it in, you'll see that stepped lines actually appear over here. So it also shows you your budget information. But for now, we just want to see actual information. So I hold down Control and just deselect it and leave Control. That'll automatically kind of like extract it or take it away from my view. Now I just want to see Company 1's information. So Company 1 basically is now, it's just regenerated this report into only Company 1 information. Now I say, okay, well, this is a Company 1 information, and just for your perspective, this is a February year-end company. So now I'm going to say, I'm just going to select the first 3 months of last year. So I'm just going to press this 2021-03, and then I'm going to hold down Control and I press those 2 extra, so the April and May, and then I'm going to go over to this year, hold down Control, I haven't left it yet, press those 3, and then I'm going to leave it. And then you're going to see this whole thing changes, but now I can see quarter on quarter. I can see 3 months versus 3 months of this year, and I've got all this information that I can now go and analyze. For instance, my trends on a month-to-month basis, my actual GPs, my net profit columns, and here, this is a year-to-date kind of number, 360 last year versus 729,000 Rand of revenue, etc., etc. These are auto-generated GP percentage and net profit percentages. So you've got all of this information. You can immediately get to grips with the information and review it and analyze how the company is faring. And now I'm going to go through to the income statement. So I can do this in one of 2 ways. I can either click over here, which will take me through to the income statement, or I can go back to the landing page and just go to the income statement. Now you can see it's actually taken me into an environment where it says, well, this is the actual sales line. We just saw 360 versus 729. What's nice about this is a holistic income statement picture. And then when I say, but let me see how I'm faring on my various line items in my income statement in comparison to sales, it's auto-calculated for me over here. So it calculates this as a percentage of sales in the 2 years that I've got here, and it also gives me a variance percentage calculation automatically. Now I can also say, well, if I want to see sales or any of my items in my income statement, I can go and say show months. That'll show me the months. That means now I can see it on a month-to-month basis, how this is trended in comparison to each other. I can immediately see a big picture, but starting from a holistic environment and then analyzing deeper and deeper as I go and really get into the information of the business. All right, so that's a quick way of analyzing data on a comparative level, if that's something that needs to happen, and that obviously is very quick and it's already there for you in MyBI. All right, guys, I hope this has helped. Have a great one. Bye.